Next page. I spy with my little eye something beginning with... What's this letter?
What's that letter?
Right here.
Right there.
What letter?
W!
And what does W sound like? Wah.
What?
Wah. Let's see what's behind there. A worm. Worm. Wah. Worm.
That's a I. This is a.
Go to the next one.
Yeah.
I spy with my little eye something beginning with... What letter's that?
P.
B.
B.
And what's B sound like?
B sound white.
B.
But.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But.
But.
Butterfly.
Butterfly.
Yes. Okay. I spy with my little eye something beginning with... What letter's that?
C.
And what does C sound like?
What does C sound like?
What's it sound like?
What does it sound like?
You know.
I know.
Yeah.
K.
Yeah. Cat.
Cat.
Yeah.
That's like Tigger.
Yes, it does look like Tigger.
Tigger
Brett took Tigger. Tigger went with Brett.
What happened to her?
Well, she went with Brett to stay with Brett. Okay, I spy with my little eye something beginning with
W.
W. And what does W sound like?
What does W sound like?
You know. What?
What?
What? What?
What? What?
Wagon.
Wagon.
W sounds like wah for wagon.
That there's a bunch of weeds.
There are.
No, to spill the weeds.
They'll have to clean those ones up and put them back in the wagon, huh?
Yeah.
Ready for the next one?
Yeah.
I spy with my little eye something beginning with
P.
B.
B.
That's a B. And B sounds like
A B.
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 For bee.
For the bee.
Yeah, for the bee. Bumblebee.
Bumblebee.
B sounds like B.
B.
Next page.
Next page.
It's a tough one. I spy with my little eye something beginning with... That's a G. You're not used to seeing that type of G, are you? And G sounds like G. G. For goldfish.
Goldfish.
Yeah.
That's my goldfish.
I know, it's just like your goldfish, huh?
Yeah, that's in my point hand.
Okay, I spy with my little eye something beginning with L. And L sounds like la. La. La 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 la. For ladybug.
Ladybug.
Yeah.
Oh, you struck me.
Oh no. You okay?
Yeah.
Okay, I spy with my little eye something beginning with... What letter is that?
C.
And what does C sound like?
That's an apple.
That is an apple. But the letter C sounds like k. For caterpillar.
Caterpillar.
Caterpillar. Oh, baby brother's getting bored. Got one more page. Ready? I spy with my little eye something beginning with
P.
D.
D.
And D sounds like...
He's hiding.
He is. D sounds like D.
Duck.
For doggy.
For Daddy.
Doggy.
What happened to him?
He's digging holes. Okay, we better go take care of your brother. Storybook's all done.